The Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus has the best connectivity and performance for the best price. It also has the best mix of features and size for the money. This makes it the best Android phone out there. The US street price is $999. The best of the best. Cell phone reception is very good. It have a true 3x zoom. When you take photos, they can look a little washed out at first. One issue is, it doesn't make a big difference if you charge your phone at 45 watts. People in the US can buy two versions of the S22 Plus from Samsung. They both have 8 GB of RAM, but you can choose between having 128 GB of storage for $999, or 256 GB for $1,049. Careful, if there isn't an SD card slot, that's all the room you have. Last year's Galaxy S21 Plus looked bad for a $1,000 phone. Because the Galaxy S21 Ultra has a matte metal look and feel to the material on its back, it felt like it was made of cheap plastic. This is why the S21 Ultra was chosen by our staff instead of the S21 Plus. Because of the new Qualcomm X65 modem, the S22 Plus, or any of the newer Galaxy phones are the best choice for you. In 2022, AT&T will start using 3 GHz spectrum, which will make the carrier's service better. This chip is the first to work with 3 GHz spectrum. Plus, it has better reception in places where there isn't much of a signal, compared to older models that don't have the X65 modem. In tests, I found that the S22 Plus always had a better signal than the S21 Plus that I connected to the same tower. Most of the time, this advantage led to better performance. Battery life. $4,500 mAh battery is good, but it isn't as good as the S22 Ultra's and 5,000 mAh battery, which is the best. The phone lasted 10 hours and 30 minutes in our rundown test, in which we streamed HD video over Wi-Fi for 10 hours and 30 minutes. This is about the same as a full day of use. A little over 12 hours later, the S22 Ultra ran, while the S22 ran for only 9 hours. Along with 45 watts fast charging, the S22 Plus can charge wirelessly, and charge wirelessly from the other way around. You will need to buy a charger for your phone if you don't already have one. This is because the phone doesn't come with one. There are 4 cameras on the Galaxy S22 Plus, a 50MP main camera that takes 12MP photos by using a 4-pixel binning method, 12MP ultra-wide lens, 10MP, 3x optical zoom camera, and a 10MP front-facing camera. The S22 has the same camera system as the bigger S22. Both the S22 Plus and S22 work better at night than the S21. People who bought the S22 models took 2 seconds to take a picture in low-light situations, while people who bought the S21 models took 3 seconds. The images from the S22 phones look better, too. To me, there is not much of a difference between the images taken by both of the S22 Plus cameras, and those taken by the S22 Ultra. When the S22 Ultra's zoom lens is used in low-light situations, the photos come out even better. The S22 Plus, of course, doesn't have the Ultra's 10x zoom lens, which is why it costs more. If you're excited about Android, the most important thing is that Samsung says it will keep the phone up to date, and send security updates through Android 17. A special version of Android 12 is used on the S22 Plus. This version is based on Samsung's One UI overlay. This new version of the software works better with Google and Microsoft services. For example, the phone now starts with Chrome and Google Messages. With the RCS protocol, Android users can finally get the read receipts and typing indicators that iPhone owners have had for years with iMessage. The other app, on the other hand, supports the RCS protocol. There isn't a way to use iMessage with Messages, though. There aren't any other Android phones with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and an X65 modem in the US right now. So Samsung's Galaxy S22 phones are the only ones that can be called true Android flagships. In the fall, Samsung will likely launch a Flip and a Fold with the most up-to-date hardware. Motorola may also be working on a project. S22 phones are the ones to beat until something stops them. For one-handed use, I think the small Galaxy S22 is a great size, but I'm worried that its battery life is on the edge of good enough. For a few years now, people haven't bought small, high-end phones because of the direct link between the size of the battery and the size of the phone. This isn't true for the S22 Ultra, which has the best battery life in the whole line. The S22 Ultra also has a 10x camera and a slot for the S Pen stylus that comes with the phone. It's also very big, very heavy, and very pricey. The S22 Ultra is a natural and good replacement for Samsung's Galaxy Note series, which had a lot of fans, including my wife, an artist. The S22 Ultra should be most popular with that group of people. In terms of battery life, power, and size, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus is the best of the bunch. It has the right mix for the price. It has a better zoom camera, looks better, and has better reception than the Galaxy S21 Plus. If you're still using a phone from the S20 series, or earlier, you'll see even more improvements. This is a great upgrade. For most people, the Galaxy S22 Plus is the best Android phone they can buy. It also won our Editor's Choice Award. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.